What's up, guys? So, I had no intention at all of filming this. Like, whenever I picked this figure up, I wasn't necessarily hunting. I just happened to be in Walmart. I skimmed through and they had it. I had a gift card for my birthday that I hadn't used, so I was like, whatever, I'll pick it up. I'd actually intended on doing an unboxing video for the new Scream Factory Friday the 13th set, but I butchered it. I stuttered all over the place. To quick note, this thing's amazing. The artwork is amazing. Everything on it, great. 100% worth the money. If you do not have this, but you want all the Friday the 13th movies, you can get the 10 box set that used to be available. That thing used to be like 300 bucks, but now you can go on eBay and you can get it for about 80. So if you don't have Friday the 13th movies, get it. If you're a fan, this is worth it. But meat and potatoes, right? So I picked up the new, what are they calling this? I think it's like the 20th anniversary, whatever you want to call it, but it's the new Wolverine. So this guy is freaking awesome. Initially, I didn't think too much of it. I like the look of this one versus the Amazon exclusive where he's just wearing a wife beater. The only flaw I have with it is mine came out bow-legged, but that's cool. I can fix that. All I gotta do is heat it up. So he came with this angry portrait, which that's what he comes with whenever you take it out, where it's the angry screaming head. Can't really get that to focus, but it doesn't look too bad. So I had it on my figure, and I was alright with it. I thought it looked cool. And then when I was messing around with it, I found that he had butterfly joints, which I did not know. Now, this leather jacket kind of limits the mobility of it, but you can kind of get it a little bit. So it's not going to go real far back like any of the other Wolverine figures, but it'll at least work. So then I put the relaxed head sculpt on it, and this looks just like Hugh Jackman. As far as this Realtek technology that they're using, this is probably one of the best sculpts they have of an actor. Like, I can put this on my shelf, and that looks like Hugh Jackman. It's crazy. Like, even the paint on the hair, it looks like they've got kind of a brown dry brush over the black. Luckily on mine, I've seen a few people where the paint missed some of the facial hair, but the facial hair is all there. The new claws that are on it are probably some of the best claws. I prefer the Uncanny X-Force version because they're a little bit thicker, but these are sturdy. The other ones have been real flimsy, but these are what they need to put on all of the figures, because this is the way to go. Now, ideally, I've got plenty of spares, but I think for this figure, if you're going to display him, he needs to be on a motorcycle, right? So you can do one of two things display-wise. You can either pop him on a motorcycle and have that image from the Wolverine Origins movie, where he's like siding and he's got his claws out. Or, if you've got a few Magnetos laying around, which I'm sure we're about to have more, you can put this angry face on him and then just pop the arms open like that, put him on a little display stand, and then you can have Magneto like reaching out and have him suspended through the air, and it looks like he's screaming. You can't get too many action poses out of this because this leather jacket limits a lot of the articulation, but it looks sweet. Like, it looks like they took their time putting in details. As far as customizing goes, you might want to redo the head sculpt. Other than that, everything's great on it. So I did not think this figure was going to be like a figure of the year contender, but now that I've gotten to mess with it a little bit, and especially with that relaxed head sculpt on it, you put this one on, and yeah, he's going to be top 10 for sure. But that's just a little quick review of it. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'd like to know your thoughts on it. Did you get this guy? Did you get the Amazon exclusive? What are your thoughts? Let me know. Thanks.